Is it time to buy or sell VOO ETF? In this video, we are diving deep into VOO. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 16th of September, 2024. And now, we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 11th of September, 2024, our system has ranked VOO as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of -0.07. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this period. The stock has seen natural fluctuations, resulting in a gain of 1.55%. This equates to an average return of 0.39% per day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. The exchange-traded fund is currently situated at the upper end of a horizontal trend. Typically, this may present a favorable selling opportunity. However, a breakout above the upper trend line at $518.76 would signal a strong buying opportunity, potentially indicating a shift in the trend. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible change of 0.92% over the upcoming 3 months, with anticipated returns fluctuating between -6.87% and +1.20%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it points to a change of 31.74% over the next year, with potential returns ranging from 24.86% to 37.89%. This suggests a price range between $645.94 and $713.36 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for VOO includes the headline, VOO ETF downgraded to hold accumulate. The VOO ETF price experienced a gain of 0.151% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 16th of September, 2024, rising from $516.57 to $517.35. This marks the 6th consecutive day of gains. It is rare for an ETF to achieve such a streak, and a pullback of a day or two is to be expected. On the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated by 0.569%, with a low of $514.66 and a high of $517.59. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days, yet it remains down by 0.12% over this period. Volume also increased on the last day, along with the price, which is a positive technical indicator. In total, 208,000 more shares were traded compared to the previous day. Overall, 4 million shares exchanged hands for approximately $1.87 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF reached $519.40, while the lowest was $375.95. Currently, the price is 0.39%, or $2.05, below the 52-week high of $519.40, which is also the all-time high for the ETF. In the latest market developments, the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, symbol VOO, is attracting considerable attention as it hovers near its all-time high, following a robust week where the S&P 500 rose over 4%. This upward movement places the index just 0.73% shy of its record set in July 2024 and up 18.62% year-to-date. Investors are keenly watching the upcoming Federal Reserve meeting, which carries a heightened expectation for a potential 50 basis point rate cut, now projected at a 65% probability. Such monetary easing could foster a favorable environment for VOO, potentially leading to further price appreciation in the short term. Long-term investors are urged not to shy away from buying at these all-time highs. Historical trends suggest that despite inherent market risks, VOO's diversified exposure to top-performing companies makes it a solid long-term investment move. The U.S. economy has shown impressive growth, effectively aligning with the performance of the S&P 500 over decades. The inflow of capital into U.S. ETFs, exceeding $1 billion in the initial months of 2024, underscores the growing investor confidence in these broader market strategies. Overall, market conditions, including recent economic data and expected actions from the Fed, paired with ongoing interest in diversified investment products, position VOO favorably for both immediate gains and sustained long-term growth. The following signals have been identified for VOO. The VOO exchange-traded fund holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between these two indicators, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. In the event of a downward correction, there will be support from the levels at 508.62 and 503.84. A breakdown below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a favorable technical signal. However, some negative signals have also emerged and may influence the near-term development. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Friday, the 30th of August, 2024, and thus far it has declined by 0.124%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, commonly known as MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal, recorded 11 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal, noted 28 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal, observed 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal, identified 6 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 20 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal, noted 5 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal, recognized 28 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 202 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for VOO. On the downside, the exchange-traded fund finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $489.91 and $479.94. There is a natural risk involved when an exchange-traded fund is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the fund may then fall to the next support level. In this case, VOO finds support just below today's level at $489.91. If this level is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $479.94 and $475.20. Generally, the exchange-traded fund tends to have very controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk is considered very low for this stock. During the last day, the fund moved $2.93 between its high and low, or 0.569%. For the past week, the fund has had a daily average volatility of 1.26%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for VOO. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for VOO is at $517.99. If you are not currently holding any shares, consider waiting for this level to be surpassed before making your entry. For those who already own the stock, this could be an opportune moment for swing trading. On the downside, VOO meets its first support level at $489.91. Should this support level hold, it may present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $496.75, reflecting a decrease of 3.98%. This exchange-traded fund has low daily movements, contributing to a lower risk profile. Additionally, a sell signal was identified from a pivot top that occurred 29 days ago. Is the VOO ETF a good buy? The VOO ETF exhibits several positive indicators. However, we do not believe these are sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate at this time. Currently, it should be viewed as a hold candidate, suggesting that investors may consider holding or accumulating shares while awaiting further developments. Due to minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have adjusted our evaluation from a buy recommendation to a hold or accumulate rating. Upon examining the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price appears to be overvalued. As for trading on Tuesday, the 17th of September, we anticipate the VOO ETF will open lower, down by 82 cents, starting at a price of $516.53. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is essential to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. You should not rely solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us when making your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.